Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida, and today we're doing a review of the Undercover Ultra Flex on the Jeep Gladiator. Come right this way. Let's take a good look at the Jeep Gladiator with the cover on it. I want you to take a good look, take a camera, John, and go all the way around here and see how this thing looks, how it matches up to the vehicle, how nice and clean it looks. I like the paneling. I think it matches all the trim on this, so it gives it a very OEM, right from the factory look. But to be honest with you, the one that comes with the factory is not as nice as what we just put on today. Now this is the Undercover Ultra Flex. It comes with a 5-year manufacturer warranty. And let's go here and take a look how it operates. Now you do have a left and a right mechanism to open this up here. So you got your left and right here. So if you're standing on the driver's side or the passenger side, you can open this up. Now this has a bed rug on here. Let me go and lift this up again. Now the bed rug does a few things. It gives it a nicer look. It does help with installation inside. If you decide to get a little bed rug in here, you can match it up. Also, if you look up here, it has a triple seal, and that does a better job of keeping the water out. Also, you got a nice little single seal right here. So this is a terrific look. Now take a good look over here. I don't know if you can see that, but we have a LED light. Now what's nice about that light, it has a timer on it. The benefit's real simple. If you flip it on, you put your groceries in or take them out and you forget about it, it will turn itself off automatically. Now I want you to notice this Jeep is lifted, but even though it has big tires and a nice lift, you can still reach over and get the mechanisms and open this up. Now if you want to drive with it partially open, not a problem. You come over here, it locks into place here. This, you don't have to worry about the wing catching and closing it on you. All in all, it's really very nice. Now let's say you want to bring that all-terrain vehicle or something, you need something big in your bed. Well, this one will let you accommodate that. So it comes all the way up. There we go. A little stiff when they're new. All right. This works as a couple things. One, it will give you full access to the bed. So if you want to put something big in here, you can. Also, this acts as a headache rack. So if you do have something large in here and someone cuts you off and you slam on your brakes and everything comes flying forward, it's going to hit this and not your fragile rear window. Because if you ever replaced one of these windows, it's not cheap. A lot cheaper to fix this. Also, if you're sitting in the back seat and then somebody comes breaking through your window, it could hurt someone inside. So this does more than just protect the window, it protects the occupants. And that's really quite nice. Now this is one of the newer models, so they have the upgraded little things here. So, and if you look over here, it locks into place. Also, if you look in there, you can see where the drainage system went in there. I don't know if you can spot that. And we're going to close this up. You hear the little locks in here. And then get over here and we'll get a nice little closing. Now when you close this, try to close this in the middle. Because if you're going to the left or right, it will push it over and you want to go straight down because it is a tight fit. Not much, if you push it a little too much, it won't close. Make sure you close it in the middle. Very tight fit. If you come over here, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm putting a lot of effort into that. Why is that better? The simple thing is someone's not going to be able to get in there. Plus, Mother Nature's not getting in there. You don't want rain getting in. That triple seal, you got the nice big seal along here. Now, going into water, and this is real important. I get people all the time walking here, and the very first thing they say to me, can you get me a waterproof cover? And I say this in all my videos. I say it in person. We've got signs. There's no such thing as a waterproof cover. What is waterproof? Submarines are waterproof. Covers are not. Now they're water resistant, and this one's rated very nicely because it does have the triple seal I just showed you. It also has a drainage system here, and look how big the seal is right here. So they have done a lot of things to keep the water out. So it's good for the customer, you know, it's good for you. It's going to do a good job of keeping the water out. Is it waterproof? I'm afraid it is not. Now I call this C&H water resistant number, and I say it's 98 of 100. So if you go through a really bad storm, you might see a small amount of water. A car wash, same thing. Normal rain, you probably won't see anything. A lot of people who own these say, oh, they're waterproof because they don't see water. It might be such a small amount they never notice it. But I'd rather be honest with you. I'm going to tell you the truth. You know, someone's going to come in here and they're asking for waterproof, and I tell them, no, well, I'll go down the street. Well, it's not waterproof. They're just lying to you. You know, or they're just knowledgeable, not knowledgeable, whatever. Okay, now you say, Chris, you know what? I love this. I got the same Jeep. I want this setup. How do I get it? Well, good news. You can either call the store. You ask for John, who's behind the camera. You can ask for me, Chris. You can ask for Dave. we can ship this anywhere in the country, or you can come here in the store and let us install it for you. And let me be honest with you, the Jeeps are a little bit more work than a regular installation. It takes me longer to do it. Now, I've done enough of them now that I'm getting pretty good at it, but you know, the first time it might be a little tricky for you, so keep that in mind. I know you go to the manufacturer website, they're all easy. You know why they're saying that? Because they want you to buy their product. I'm going to tell you the truth, it's not super hard, but it's not super easy. So just keep that in mind. It takes a little time. I probably got an hour and change in this. She did go on pretty smooth and a lot easier after I've done a few. The first couple I was kind of doing a lot of cursing and god darn son of a gun. So people are like, oh, is that sailor in the back of the shop? Not so much cursing now, so I got it down pretty good. So again, if you want to buy this, on the bottom of the YouTube video you see the website. You can order from there. You can call the store or just come visit our showroom. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories doing a review of the Ultra Flex on a Jeep Gladiator JT. Blooper time. Thanks.